In 60 seconds, you'll find some English words that you might struggle to pronounce. My name is Crystal. I'm an author and a TEDx speaker. Make sure to like and join a revolution for English learners. Did you know that the words up, some, rough have the common English vowel sounds like as if someone is punching in the gut? Even though they all spell differently, they have the same sound. Now, how about these words? Most Korean people would say 필름, poem, recipe. These words also have the common vowel sound, You want to say film, poem, recipe. Feel free to like, follow, and comment below.